Oh, kia ora.
How are you, kōrero?
Never mind me, how are you fellas?
Yeah, we're not the best. Tina still hasn't come home and I want to see my boy.
Oh, Mitta's fine, he's just hanging out with us. He just doesn't feel safe around you at the moment.
Okay. Well, Tina reckons I need to see someone about my temper.
Smart woman. You know, I used to get beat by my old man when I was a kid. But when it come to my whānau, I use my brains, not my fists.
Yeah, because you're so perfect.
No, don't be like that. We all have issues that we have to work through. And I know you had a tough time growing up. You know, when we get angry, we get into red brain. We lash out, we say dumb things, and it really affects our whānau. We need to get back into green brain, into a good space, okay? You know, that's a skill you need to learn.
I think I've really blown it this time. I'm not sure there's anything that I can do to make it come back home.
Well, you might be right. But why don't you do some work on yourself and get back to the real man that she married?
So you reckon I should get some help?
Absolutely. If you love your whānau, you'll do anything. Come on, come and have a cup of tea.